Hello everyone! Today we continue working with a long fit and flare dress. Today I will show you how to flare the dress and how to make the back pattern. Don't ask me how much to flare these details. As much as you want. 5, 10, 15 centimeters. I'll flare each detail for 12 centimeters. I remind you that there will be a fold in the center front. I'll mark the sides which I need to flare. I'll do the same thing with the back. I remind you that there will be no seam on the center back. Next, I'll show you how to flare these details. I'll attach pieces of tracing paper to them in order to do it. This is the bottom. I need to make it longer. This is where the original dress ends. I need to add 12 centimeters to it. Next, I need to draw a line from this point to the new one. Maybe when you have a look at the dress, you'll understand that you want to flare it more. Make this angle about 5 mm shorter. I remind you that there will be a fold on the center front, so the center front detail will be flared from both sides. Due to the fact that I made the dress a bit tighter here, it will look very beautiful. There are some details and techniques, like this one, which can help you look very slim, even if you are not. The center front detail is ready. Next, I need to flare the side front detail. I'll show you how to do it. Everything is very simple. I also need to add 12 centimeters here. First, I need to make the bottom line longer, and then mark 12 centimeters on it. And then connect the 2 points. I also need to make the angle 5 mm shorter. Watch what I'm doing. Next, I need to flare the other side of this detail. The technique is the same. Make the bottom line longer, mark 12 centimeters on it, and then connect the 2 points. It's very important to flare the details evenly. Do not forget to make the angle about 5 mm shorter. Have a look at this detail. It's tighter under the hips and flared at the bottom. Once you learn how to flare gores, you can make different dresses and skirts using this technique. I want you to be free from ready-made patterns and simple designs. This is the side front detail. I will have to cut the two of them. This is the center front detail. There will be a fold in the center front. This is the pattern for the decorative detail. This is the pattern for the front detail of the bolero. There will be a stand collar in it. The front is ready. Let's move on to the back. This is where the bolero detail will begin. Notice that this line is absolutely straight in the sketch. I'll cut it parallel to the center front. I'll sign that this is the center back, fold. Notice that the center back is not straight. There will be no seam here, so I need to make it straight. I'll sign that this is also the center back, fold. This is the point down from which the dress will be getting wider. I'll draw a princess seam 9 cm away from the center back. Draw a straight line down from this point. The technique is absolutely the same as in the front. I'll make a small tuck here. I drew the tucks by side because I know that I can alter them after refitting. I remind you that there will be a fold in the center back. Next, I need to make the back tighter. I'll make it 2 cm tighter here and 1 cm tighter in the side seam. I want the dress to look just like a real fit and flare one. I'll sign that this is the back side details and this is the side seam. This is how the pattern looks like now. Next, I need to cut the details and flare them at the bottom. I will flare each detail for 12 cm, just like the front ones. Make the bottom line 12 cm longer. And then connect these 2 points with a straight line. Do not forget to make the angle 5 mm shorter. The center back detail is ready. Next, I need to flare the back side detail. I need to do everything the same. Make the bottom 12 cm longer, and then connect these 2 points with a straight line. You can use this technique for making different dresses, skirts, and even tops and blouses. I need to flare the second side. The pattern is almost ready. That's it. The pattern for the dress is ready. This is the back side detail. This is the center back detail. This is the back bolero detail. It will make the dress look very beautiful. I've already showed you the pattern for the front, so I'm not going to do it now. The pattern is ready. Thank you for your comments. Ladies, don't be lazy, use your imagination. Don't be afraid of new techniques and designs. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukšte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.